Bill Thompson. I live here in Brook Park, and I recently had my roof replaced by Peachtree Restorations. It was determined that my roof was both defective and had some damaged shingles from a windstorm. I was not going to do it, but Peachtree convinced me that I really ought to get somebody from the insurance company over, which I did, and I'm glad that I did. They were persistent, and I think I benefited from that. The thing that really stood out about Peachtree's service was the competence of the crew that they brought in to complete the job in one day. I would recommend Peachtree Restorations to anyone.